Hey, hi everyone, welcome back. In the previous video, we have discussed about what is documentation, link and definition section. Now, global declaration section. Before going to discuss this section, we want to know what is global variables. Global variables are some variables that are used more than one function. Means here I am using one function, here under the main function I am using another function, which is float radius, here float area, float r. Okay, float means a data type which I have discussed in my previous videos. You can check once. Okay, these variables declared into the global declaration section. Now we need to find out variable declaration are two types: local variable declaration and global variable declaration. Local variable declares inside the main function and global variable declares outside the main function. In the case we want to declare global variable inside the main function, we need to introduce a keyword which is extern. This is a keyword extern. We need to introduce this keyword if we want to declare global variable as inside the main function. Here I am declaring global variable and local variable, both are inside the main function. Here I am declaring global variable as outside the main function, local variable as inside the main function. We can declare global variable, local variable as two types. This is one case, another case is this one. Okay, this global declaration section also declares user defined functions. User defined functions are nothing but area, radius, sub, add, factorial, fact, like that. Okay, these are the user defined functions. Okay, I have discussed about user defined words in my previous videos. You can check once. Move on to the next one. See guys, every program must have a main function. The main function section contains two parts. Those are a declaration part and an execution part. A declaration part is declare all the variables which is used into an execution part. An execution part have at least one statement. Both parts are appear under opening curly brace and closing curly brace here. Okay, directly I have initialized value to the variables. Every executable part at least have one statement. It is mandatory. Both declaration and execution part ends with semicolons. Okay, next one is subprogram. This subprogram contains all the user defined functions. Those are add, sub, area, radius, fact, mult, divide, temp, etc, etc. These are the user defined functions. Okay, user defined functions are generally placed immediately after the main function. We can write subprogram as many types. Here is one of the example of subprogram, and another one is like this. Here we need to add some of the variables, that is a, b. These are arguments and this one is return value. We need to return integer value of sum of two variables, a plus b. This is one kind of subprogram and this is another kind of subprogram. We will write different types of subprograms in upcoming videos. Okay guys, before end of this video, we need to know the difference of declaration and defined. Declared means which data type have the variable consist or value of initializing the variable. For example, int a equals to 10. I have initializing value 10 here. This is one kind of declaration and this is the int data type. Which data type have the variable consist? This variable consists of int data type. This is also one kind of declaration. Okay, now coming to defined. Defined means where the variable to be stored into the memory. Suppose this is a memory. What we are doing here, we are defining variable a. Here initializing the variable, here defining the variable, or we can say accessing the variable. That is the main difference between declaration and definition. Okay, now it's time to summarize something what we have discussed about basic structure of C program. Okay, I have discussed these documentation. Once again I am discussing as briefly. Okay, this is a file name area of circle.c and author Sheikh is writing this program, and time of coding, on which date you are writing this program, and description, program to calculate area of circle, or you can add many of things regarding to your program. User have to enter radius. This is a link section. This link section told to compiler to link up header files to the standard libraries. Libraries are many types, Mac console and standard, etc. We'll discuss while doing the program. Okay. Coming to header files is that where group of functions are stored into a different files. That files is nothing but header files. Okay. These link section tell to the compiler to link up the header files to the system libraries. Definition section is nothing but we are defining some symbolic constant. Those are numeric, character and string constant. And global declaration are divided into two parts. One is local variable, another one is global variable. Always local variable declares inside the main function and global variable declares outside the main function. If you want to declare global variable as inside the main function, you have to introduce a keyword which is extend. Okay. Global declaration also declares user defined functions. Here coming to main functions. Main functions are divided into two parts. One is declaration, another one is execution. Both are present under the brace. Every declaration and execution part must have semicolon at the end of the statements. Okay. Every execution part consists of at least one statement. Okay. This is the statement. And subprogram, I have discussed about this. Subprograms contains all the user defined functions. We'll discuss different types of subprograms while practicing some programs. Okay. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching. See you on the next.